So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can blur or unblur home screen wallpaper on iPhone. So first of all, long press the home screen like this. Now here, tap on this edit button. Now after this, tap on edit wallpaper. Now once you do this, here you will see various options like pair, color, gradient, photo and blur. To blur the wallpaper, tap on blur. After this, tap on done. And now, as you can see here, the wallpaper is blur. To unblur it, long press the home screen again, like this. Tap on edit. Now tap on edit wallpaper. After this, tap on blur again. Now tap on done. And now, as you can see here, the wallpaper is no more blur. So this is how I can blur or unblur home screen wallpaper on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.